Vionic, 30 years of biomechanical expertise, 3 innovative technologies, 1 goal. Provide the style you want with the support you need. Our innovative technology is seamlessly designed into every shoe. Elevated support technology. Enhanced forefoot cushioning and a contoured arch provides addictive support throughout the day. AMS technology. Advanced motion system combines a flexible cushioned outsole with orthotic technology inside and a lightweight, breathable upper. OrthoHeal technology. A contoured arch, a firm and flexible midsole, and a stabilizing heel cup provide heel pain relief and natural alignment from the ground up. With innovative technology built into every shoe, Vionic footwear keeps you moving through life in comfort and style. Vionic. Walk, move, live.